Climb inside the 2008 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.